Hello again. What does it sound like to think about your life getting to be about you again? That's not selfish, and it's not about, oh, just me, 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 me. It's about you being included in your life. At some point, you start to remember yourself. You start to remember how you used to be, not as a caretaker and not as a crisis manager, but as a woman with interests, with desires, with dreams, with hopes for a future. And it's not selfish, it's corrective. You know, if you say that, I used to be this or that or the other, other people can say to you, oh, yeah, yeah, well, it's all about you, isn't it? You're just selfish. Yeah, right. Not at all. It's not selfish, it is corrective. And your life doesn't end because somebody else is struggling, it resumes. So I want you to come back to yourself. And this is an exercise, and it's not selfish. It's just remembering yourself, remembering. The word remembering is putting the pieces, the members of you back together again. And that is an essential step in this process of freedom. Whether you're with your partner or you're not with your partner, you've left or you're starting a new life, whatever, you have to remember you. And so stay with me, and in the next video, we'll look at this isn't the end. It's the end of a phase, a stage, an era, but it's a return. So it's more helpful if you think of it as a return. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.